Looking for the best electric tiller for large gardens in 2026? Whether you're preparing new planting beds, loosening compacted soil, or maintaining a large vegetable garden, the right electric tiller can save you time and effort. In this video, we've rounded up the best electric tillers you can buy right now based on power, durability, ease of use, and overall value. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. Greenworks 48V, 24VX2. The Greenworks electric lawn mower is a powerful and efficient battery-powered tool designed for optimal lawn care. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers gas-like power with reduced noise and zero emissions, capable of climbing inclines up to 21 degrees. The mower is part of a combo that includes a 12-inch string trimmer and a leaf blower, ensuring comprehensive yard maintenance with enhanced performance. User-friendly design elements such as a push-button start, self-propelled function, and a 4-in-1 operation mode, including rear bagging, mulching, side discharge, and a turbo button, make it easy to operate. The mower also includes adjustable height settings and collapsible handles for convenient storage. With LED headlights for visibility during day or night use, its durable 21-inch steel deck promises longevity even in tough conditions. It comes with multiple batteries, including two 5.0R batteries for up to 35 minutes of runtime, and a 2.0R USB battery for the blower, which lasts up to 10 minutes on high. All tools and batteries are backed by a 3-year warranty, and the 24V battery is compatible with over 200 Greenworks products, offering reliability and versatility for various gardening tasks. Number 2. Lawnmaster Brushless 48V Max Cordless Tiller. The Lawnmaster is a versatile and efficient gardening tool designed for medium to large-sized gardens, featuring a 14.5-inch maximum cutting width and an impressive 9-inch depth for effective tilling. This battery-powered tiller offers true cordless convenience, allowing you to work effortlessly in any location without the hassle of cords. With a runtime of 35 minutes, it is ideal for cultivating soil or digging small holes for planting saplings or potted plants. The Lawnmaster is equipped with rust-resistant steel blades that operate at 180 revolutions per minute, ensuring efficient soil cultivation even in rough terrains. Additionally, its 48V Max 4.0R battery-powered brushless motor provides the same level of power as a gas-powered tiller while maintaining a clean and quiet operation. Number 3. Honda FG110 Mini Tiller. The Honda Garden Tiller is a powerful and versatile tool designed for gardening enthusiasts. Featuring a patented hybrid tine system, it combines both digging and cultivating capabilities, with half of the blades angled for digging and the other half for cultivating. Powered by the renowned Honda GX25 4-stroke engine, this tiller ensures quick and easy starts, running on straight unleaded gas without the need for mixing oil. Its adjustable tilling width allows users to till either 9 inches wide or 6 inches wide in tight spaces, making it perfect for working close to plants without causing damage. Weighing only 29 pounds, the lightweight and compact design includes 2-position transport wheels for easy maneuverability over various terrains, and the handle folds for convenient storage. The adjustable depth bar provides control over tilling depth and speed, while easy access controls reduce vibration and fatigue during use. Additionally, the tiller comes with a 2-year residential warranty, offering peace of mind. Ideal for a range of gardening projects, it excels in preparing soil for planting and cultivating in raised planter beds or between pre-plowed rows. Number 4. Decapro 40V Cordless Cultivator Tiller. The Decapro Cordless Cultivator is designed for efficient gardening, featuring large steel blades that enhance tilling strength and facilitate soil aeration, making it ideal for loosening compacted soil and preparing seed beds. It operates on two 4.0R dual batteries, providing up to 60 minutes of continuous use, with a unique anti-drop design that secures the batteries within the motor to prevent damage from falls or dust. Safety is prioritized with a dual safety lock system that requires both a safety button and trigger to start the tiller, ensuring a user-friendly and environmentally friendly experience for gardeners of all ages. Weighing only 11 pounds, the cultivator is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it suitable for women and senior gardeners. Its ergonomic design includes an upgraded height-adjustable auxiliary handle to minimize wrist strain, and the tool-free quick assembly allows for immediate use within 5 minutes. This versatile cultivator is perfect for small gardens, raised beds, and flower beds, and can be used for various tasks such as plowing, turning soil, weeding, and cleaning old soil. Number 5. Sunjoe Corded Electric Garden Tiller. The Sunjoe Corded Electric Rototiller is a powerful gardening tool equipped with a 15-amp motor that delivers up to 400 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for breaking compact soil, aerating lawns, and maintaining garden beds. With its wide tilling path and strong tine rotation, it effectively speeds up planting preparation and weed control in both farms and backyard gardens. Designed for tough soil, the tiller features 6 rust-proof, steel-angled tines that ensure long-lasting performance through repeated use, supporting durability across seasonal gardening tasks. It tills up to 15.7 inches wide and 7.7 inches deep, and includes a foldable handle for compact storage as well as 4 position wheels for enhanced depth control and maneuverability. Sunjoe brands are known for their innovative, affordable, and reliable consumer tools for home, yard, garden, and garage applications. That's our list of the best electric tillers for large gardens in 2026. We hope this guide helped you choose the perfect tiller for your gardening needs. If you'd like to check the latest prices or learn more about any of these models, you'll find all the product links in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tool reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.